Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the third Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, June the 17th. Wednesday, June the 17th, 2020. This third Sudoku is a Sudoku with 4 stars. So I'm curious if I can solve this within 30 minutes. If I can solve this within 30 minutes, then it's not a really 4 stars. A really 4-star Sudoku will take me more than 30 minutes. Yes. So let's see. All right. So let's get started. Alright, A5 in this column, A5 in that column, so in the middle column, the only place for the 5 should be there. So in this middle column, we have now 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2, we see here 2, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here or could be there, but we see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then, how about the number 6 in this big square with 5 missing numbers? One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. There 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. So the missing numbers in the middle column here are the numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, 5, 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 4, 7, and 8. And look what we have, 4 and 7. So no 4 and 7 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 8. Alright. How about the number 6 in this big square? We have a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Then how about the number in the last row? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. 6 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers are the 4, 7, and 8. So the 4, 7, and 8 cannot be in this 3 boxes. In this big square, we have the 4, 7, and 8. So the 4, 7, and 8 should be in those 3 boxes. 4, 7, and 8. I can see the 4. I cannot fill here the 4. So the 4, I mark them 4. Goes there. 7 and 8 goes also there. So what are those other 3 numbers? 4, 7, and 8. We have the 6, 1, and a 9. So it must be the 2, the 5, 2, 5, and the 3. 2, 5, and the 3. 2, 5, and the 3. 2, 3. We have a 5 here. 2, 5, 2, 5, and a 3. I marked them. We have a 3 here. So the 2, 5. Okay. 2, 5, and a 3. 1, 9, and a 2. Yes. All right. So we have a 4 in this row, a 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And here goes the 4 and the 7. Remember that 4 and the 7. I marked them. So it's easier to follow. What are the other numbers? The 1, the 3, and the 9. 1, 3, and the 9. 1, 3, and the 9. Yeah. 7, 7. Yeah, now I have a pair because look, we have a 7 here. So in this big square, the 7 cannot be in these two boxes, so the 7 should be here in these two boxes. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So in the column next, no, we have no pair. The 7 should be here in one of those two boxes. With in this big square also one of the missing number, an 8. I see here an 8, so no 8 in these two boxes, so the 8 could be here or could be there. That means the 8 in this column, the 8 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here or there. The 1, we have 4 and 7. The 1 is missing, the 9 is missing, and the 3 is missing. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here or there. That means 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there. 2, yes. In the first column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here also 2, no 2 there. So the 2 could be here or could be there. Same with the 1. We have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. So we have a pair here. 2 and 1. That means the other numbers, 8 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 2 places for the 8 here or there, but I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then, how about 2, 2, 2, here 8, 2, or there 8, 2. 6, here 6, or there 6, we have a 6 there. 8, 8, 3, 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there, but we have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. And now we have a 7 here. That means 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for a 7 should be here, because we have a 7 in this column. So this cannot be a 7. This should be the 7. 8, 1, and a 3. Alright. So we have 2. How about 5, 8, 8, 6. Yes, 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so in the row between. The only two places for the 6, I mark them. I cannot place them. Here also a 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so in the middle row. The only two places for a 6 here or there. Alright. So we have a 2 here in this row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for a 2 should be there. That means in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 in these two boxes. There are 2, no 2 in these two boxes. One box left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for a 2 should be there. And I've told you these 3 numbers are the 2, 3, and the 5. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. So the only place for the 2 should be there. 5 and the 3 are left. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Okay, 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 9 are missing. I marked them. 1 and 9 is easier to follow. That means these 2 numbers in the last column are the numbers 4 and the 5, I believe. 4 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. I see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes. Alright. Then 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so in the column between. The only 2 places for the 4, here or there, but I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 9. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this column should be the number 9. And then in this big square, wait. One missing number in this row. This should be the number 3. We have the 4 and the 7. That means the other 2 numbers are the 1 and the 9. 1 and the 9. That means the 9 in this row, the 9 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 9, here or there. This number cannot be 4 or the 7. We have a 4 already, so this should be a 7. This should be a 4. Alright. 4, 4, 4. Correct. And 8, 1, and the 3 are missing. This number in the first row should be the number 8. So we have here the 1 and the 3 are left. 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3. This is also the 1 and the 3. So here we have a pair, 1 and the 3. That means 1 digit left should be the number 8. So 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the middle column, the column be 3 in the second column. The only 3 places for the 8, here, or there. I see here 1 8, so no 8 there. So the 8 could be there or could be here. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 4. I mark them again, 9 and 4. Easier to follow. These 2 numbers in this big square are a lot of pairs. 7 and the 3. 7 and the 3. 7 and the 3. Almost finished, but those are the pairs, you know. Then 7, 8 and 7, 7. Here 7, there 7. 7, 7, 7. 4, 4, 4. This should be the 1 and the 9. No. 1, 9 and a 3. We have a 3 here. So this cannot be a 3. This should be a 1. This should be the 3. We have a 3 here. So now we have a 1 here. This cannot be a 1. 9 and 1. This should be a 9. And this should be the 1. Alright. 1 box left in this column for the number 2. Now we have a 2 here. So this cannot be a 2. This should be the 2. And this should be the 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1. And this should be the 9. Then 2 numbers left. The 7 and the 9 are missing. Cannot fill this yet. These 3 numbers, 7, 8 and the 9. I see here 7 and the 9. So this should be the 8. 1 digit left. Here cannot be 7 and the 9. So this should be the 8. Here we have a 7 and a 9. I see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row, the last row for the numbers 4 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 4 goes there. We have a 4 now, so this cannot be a 4. This should be the 4 and this should be the 9. We have a 9 now, so this cannot be a 9. This should be a 6. And this should be the 9. 1 number left in this row for the number 7. Now we have a 7, so this cannot be a 7. This should be the 7. And this should be the 3. Alright. And the final 2 numbers, the 6 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Wow. I'm very pleased for this 4 Stars Sudoku. It's not really a 4 stars. No. I think maybe 2.5. 2 stars, 3 or 3 stars. But not a 4 stars. You like this? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. Oh, I'm not finished. Actually, we have 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 3. We see here 1. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Double check if you have not filled all the numbers. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. And we will continue with the 3rd Sudoku. In this additional will be a binary puzzle. So I see you later, and bye bye for now.